All right, guys, what we have here today is an in-ground spa. It's been built into the patio system, concrete and everything. So we're going to take a look at the spa itself, and then we'll talk about what you would want for a hot tub cover for this application. So as you can see in the spa itself, in the hot tub, it's made out of tiles. Very cool looking, reflective, metallic looking tiles. But it's built into the patio. So you've got this coping around the outside, this concrete. And so it's not a normal, what we might call a portable hot tub or a freestanding hot tub that you might buy at your local hot tub distributor. All right, guys, one of the primary concerns with a spa that's built into the ground and surrounded by concrete is that the hot tub cover is going to have to sit on that concrete or coping or whatever material you have, and that's going to be very abrasive. And over time, as you lift and move this cover around, it will tear into this mesh liner underneath. You may not have mesh, you may have something else. Whatever it is, whatever's on that concrete is going to get scratched up. So we recommend a scuff pad. That's what some people call it. I call it an underlayment. Basically, it's a piece of material that goes all the way around the bottom of the cover. Still allows the liner to do what it does, allowing water in and out, but it protects that liner from being torn up. So the scuff pad or the underlayment will be scratched up over time, but that's to protect the rest of the cover. Multiple panel hot tub covers are sort of like a jigsaw puzzle, and you can figure out your own order of removal and replacement. But this is a pretty good way to do this, to put the end panel down and then to bring the center panel and put it on the end panel so that you can slide the center panel into position. You'll end up putting the other end panel on the other end and sliding them together, sandwiching them to make a good seal. And then you will remove it the same way. You'll want to take that center panel and slide it off onto one of the end panels to take it off. This is a 2-pound density foam, 6-inch to 4-inch taper. We call it a walk-on class cover because it's more dense and can handle more weight, but we do not recommend walking on any cover. This just gives you a better chance of it surviving somebody accidentally stepping on it or the weight of itself. All right, while the inside dimensions of this in-ground spa are 124 inches by 86 inches, the cover has to be larger than that. So we made the cover 3 panels 132 inches by 94 inches. That makes each panel 44 inches wide by 94 inches long. This allows 4 inches of cover to be sitting on the coping all the way around the tub. Alright, so not only does this cover have a scuff pad or underlayment underneath to protect it from the abrasive concrete, it also is tapered from the middle. So the middle section is 6 inches thick, tapers down from 6 inches to 4 inches. So what you will also see is we have flaps. Since it's a 3-piece cover, you're going to have 2 seams that are not connected by a hinge because of the size of the cover. So we have flaps that can cover that seam to keep the rainwater out. All right, guys, so I hope that's helpful. If you have an in-ground spa that you need a cover for it, it's maybe bigger than most spas, maybe it's got some coping or concrete, hopefully this is helpful to get you the right spa cover for your really awesome in-ground spa. Well, that's the scoop on an oversized in-ground spa cover. And I hope you enjoyed it, and I think that was some good stuff.